If you're experiencing issues with an Elden Ring update getting stuck, follow these steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and unlock the update successfully. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or switching to a wired connection. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Elden Ring completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can help it recognize the update and continue the installation process. Make sure to save your progress before doing this. Step 3. Clear cache. If you're playing on a console, clear the cache by turning off the console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then plugging it back in. For PC users, you can clear the cache by navigating to the game files and deleting temporary files related to the game. Step 4. Check for system updates. Ensure that your gaming platform, console or PC is up to date. Sometimes, system updates are required for game updates to install properly. Check for any pending updates and install them before trying to update Elden Ring again. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the previous steps work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling Elden Ring. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the update to get stuck. Make sure to back up your save files if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with the update getting stuck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.